Hello, business networkers, and welcome to AI Food for Thought. So, I just want to give you a quick tour of how easy it is to do Nourish and network with food sharing centers like the Food Bank of Contra, Costa, and Solano. This is their website, and you can donate. Even if you can't show up, you can contribute to saving mankind from world hunger. You can help find food. You can support the work, ways to give, ways to get involved as a volunteer, learning about the impact and sharing it. Because what we want to do is we want to super serve the super interested who are super interested in the problem of world hunger. And those could be people that need to go to food sharing centers because they're super interested in finding their next meal and their food insecurity for their family. So, if you are being ignored in business networking events and you are starving for attention for your business, it's because people don't care. They don't care about you until they know how much you care. So if you're starving for attention, it's time to start super serving and sharing about what you are doing to show people how much you care by working alongside other business networkers. These may be volunteers, they may be corporate employees, but it's such a great way to let your hair down, so to speak. Work shoulder to shoulder right next to people with your hands. This is hands-on networking, and it is a great way to show that you care. And of course, then we, as networkers, we want to spread the word. We want to show that we care and show how much the food sharing centers care. And we want to connect them and network and promote them and look at all the different ways that we can share their information. So we hope you will learn more about Nourish and Network and learn about super serving and super sharing. And that's what we are concentrating on. So thanks for listening to Food for Thought. What we want to do is we want to create Food for Thought info kits for one 15-minute course for every business day, 5 days a week, with an interactive info kit that also provides a quick success survey that provides a daily meal for deals in business networking. So, meals for deals. So, we want to help you to learn about sharing and learning about giving back to the community and work locally and learn AI globally. So, to do a demonstration, we focus on La Miranda, California, and the East Bay of California, but this works nationwide, and we want to connect it with our ETV Global Media Network to really spread the word nationwide and globally. So thanks for listening. Now, please don't just listen, take action. The way you can take action immediately and start to grow your business networking activities with cross-group networking strategies, and you will learn that right below this YouTube video. All you have to do is click on the More button, and you can learn all about AI Food for Thought and Nourish and Network to learn how you can get more attention by showing people, not just telling them you care, but showing them through your actions. Actions speak louder than words. Quick story I have to tell you. Okay, a friend of mine, Ross Goodhart, who I've known him for years, great guy. But I really, really did not know how deeply he truly cares until he invited me to attend a volunteer shift at the Food Bank of Contra Costa and Solano. And that's when I really saw his heart of where he truly comes from and where he is truly at. I've known him and his lovely family for decades, literally. But I did not know until he showed me through his actions by inviting me to partake in a wonderful shift at the Food Bank of Contra Costa to really understand where he was coming from and really understand where his heart is. And I learned more about his business. I looked more into his business because I understood that he really does care, and he's just a lovely human being. And what an apropos name, Ross Goodhart, for this kind of super serving and super sharing. So I hope you will click on the Learn More button. I hope we will continue the conversation. And please, please, please do not let this stop with you. Sharing is caring. If you do nothing else, please share this with one person. And I promise you, it will help you to show them that you also care. So please at least share this message and let's grow it together. My name is Mike Hayes, but I look forward to connecting with you. And let's all nourish and network, super serve, and super share. Click on the link below this YouTube video, click the more button below this video, and let's get started today.